This video is made only for educational purposes. No stock ETF should be bought without advice from your investment advisor. NFT, non-fungible tokens. Should you invest in them? The cryptocurrencies and blockchain were not complicated enough to get a hang of. Now we have another new age instrument to tax our brains. NFT. NFT stands for non-fungible tokens, and these are the latest craze in the crypto world. What is NFT? NFTs are exotic digital collectibles. Owning an NFT is like owning a one-of-a-kind piece of collectible. The only difference is that it is in digital form and not a physical one. These are claimed to be a form of new digital assets. Being a cryptographic token, NFT represents something unique that tends to get its value because of its uniqueness. Or in digital terms, it gets its value from digital scarcity. Like regular collectibles, these too can be bought and sold, but each NFT is distinguished by a unique code that is recorded on its blockchain. This code can be used to clearly establish and track the real owner of the NFT. What else? The buyers also get digital bragging rights. And what is non-fungible in NFT? Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are fungible. That is, all Bitcoins are replicas of each other and are easily interchangeable. It's like my Bitcoin and your Bitcoin are no different. They are not unique within themselves, but NFTs are non-fungible. They are not inchangeable. They are not interchangeable. Every token is unique in itself, and that is what leads to digital scarcity and an increase in perception of its value. In technical terms, NFTs are units of immutable data signifying unique ownership to a digital object stored in the ERC 721 data standard format. Suppose you create a work of art. Now you want to sell it. You can do it physically as it has always been done. But NFTs provide another route. Blockchain technology allows you to digitize your artwork and tokenize it into an NFT in small fractions. Should you invest in NFTs? It's something very niche, and we have no idea how the NFT market will develop in the future. Like cryptocurrency investing, even NFT is incredibly risky. Some easy NFT is a volatile part of the already volatile cryptocurrency market. Share, give a like, leave a comment. Please subscribe our channel.